In Virginia, some school districts are battling against newly elected Governor Glenn Youngkin's order that parents be allowed to opt out of student mask mandates. For the latest, let's bring in Newsmax national correspondent Logan Ratick live for us in Arlington. Logan, good morning.
Good morning, Emma. And over the weekend, Governor Youngkin signed 11 executive orders, and the two receiving the most pushback. One is that in public schools, parents have the right to decide whether their kids wear a mask or not. And secondly, removing the vaccine mandate for healthcare workers.
And that I will faithfully and impartially discharge.
Governor Youngkin says Virginia parents have the right to decide if their kids receive the COVID vaccine or wear masks in school. But at least 16 school districts are keeping their masking policies in place, including the largest school district in the Commonwealth, Fairfax County, and neighboring Arlington and Loudoun counties in suburban D.C. Governor Youngkin says that goes against Virginia's Constitution.
As we battle COVID, it's parents that should decide the health measures taken for their children. That's why I signed an executive order that allows parents to opt out of mask mandates in schools. This is a matter of individual liberty.
And Attorney General Jason Miyares is already looking into the county school boards defying the order.
Part of my job as Attorney General is to remind these school boards about what the Virginia Constitution says about the role that parents have. And so we're really going to have a shift in Virginia. We're not going to empower bureaucrats. We're going to be all about empowering parents, making sure parents' voices are not ignored. And that's going to be a huge goal that we're going to be doing. If we have to take them to court to seek that injunctive relief, to follow the law, period, we're going to do that.
Virginia Democrats, now in the minority, are supporting the school districts maintaining their own mask mandates.
Youngkin's day one action to remove mask requirements is irresponsible.
Democrats are also highly critical of his move to end vaccine mandates for healthcare workers.
Governor Youngkin has made it clear that he sides with those who oppose vaccination. His decisions will only serve to prolong this pandemic.
Youngkin says if you want the vaccine, get it, but that Virginians need quick, available medical care.
I will continue to oppose President Biden's COVID vaccine mandate for health workers as we continue to fight a crisis of staffing across Virginia's healthcare system. Our fight against COVID-19 will move forward based on this simple principle. We will protect lives and livelihoods.
And the 16 school districts defying Governor Youngkin's order say that universal masking has allowed them to stay open for in-person learning, while Governor Youngkin says masks that have been worn, primarily cloth masks, provide little to no health benefit. But it should be interesting to see what goes down in these counties, particularly Arlington County right here in the D.C. suburbs, in the sense that there are still mask mandates in place. But if you heard Governor Youngkin in that speech, he says parents in his order have the right to opt out. So technically, they have permission to go against those mandates, and there's even a chance this could move up to the courts. Back to you.
All right, we'll be watching it closely. Logan Ratick, thank you very much.
Hey, I'm Rob Finnerty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please join the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, too. Hit the bell icon to be alerted to breaking news. And remember, there's a whole lot more on Newsmax TV, America's fastest growing cable news network. Newsmax TV, we're real news for real people.